Lenalidomide has really become part of upfront therapy almost worldwide in all settings, transplant eligible and non-transplant eligible. So increasingly, more often, patients who progress after one line of therapy already who have a disease that's lenalidomide-refractory. And that is, we know now it's biologically different, and the response to subsequent therapy is different, and it's a need up on itself. Currently, the approach is essentially incorporate a CD38 monoclonal antibody into whatever next regimen is, but that is going to be changed very quickly as monoclonal antibodies also make to the first line therapy, and that becomes a less attractive option. So that is certainly an important need. There are great studies going on now that target those patients for therapies with bispecific T-cell engagers that we should see results in the next months to years. And I think one study that we're all waiting very anxiously to see the final results is the CARTITUDE-4 trial that took patients who have lenalidomide-refractory disease with 1 to 3 prior lines of therapy, irrespective of CD38 exposed, and randomized those patients to either conventional pomalidomide-based regimen with pomalidomide, bortezomib, dex, or pomalidomide, daratumumab, dex, versus cilta-cel versus a CAR T-cell a product infused after a brief bridging therapy with one of those two regimens. By now we know there's a press release that that's a positive study. We should be seeing results presented at the upcoming ASCO and EHA meeting. But I think if that study it's positive as it seems to be, but also if we see that can be delivered more safely in early lines of therapy, that will really have a profound impact on the myeloma field, because now we're going to have evidence for CAR T-cell therapy in patients as early as second line of therapy, even patients who have not yet been exposed to a monoclonal antibody. So it's going to be fascinating to see over the next few months how that would affect the care for patients and the myeloma field overall.